Gentle as you can.
Next, my nose.
Can you move your arms so that I can see properly? Thank you, sweetheart. That's excellent. Hello, baby Budgie.
Put them back on me.
Okay, that's okay. I just need some video of him and how pretty he is. He's very scared. I should put him back with his brothers now, do you think?
Yes.
Shall we put him away?
Yeah. I don't want that one.
Do you want to pick him up for me?
Yeah.
Oh, how good was that? Hello, Purple Budgie. Oh, in you go.
Let's go, Budgie. Back in the car. Now hold the Budgie. My nest.
Whoops.
Okay.
Whoops. Gentle as you can. Don't chase him. That's it.
That's a boy. That's a boy, Budgie.
Gentle as you can.
Open.
Is that gentle?
Yeah.
Now don't hold him like you want to see him. I don't want to see your hands, do I? What do I want to see your hands for? Hello, Budgie.
Put them down on me.
Okay. Alright, shall I put him back?
No, I want to take a picture of the Budgie and me.
Okay, hang on.
The Budgie.
Oh, this is difficult.
Let me also look at the Budgie.
Sorry?
Me.
What do you want to do?
Let me also sit on his legs. Right here. Put the Budgie right there, Grandpa.
Where? Here?
Here.
Okay. And then what?
Let me see little Budgie. There's a little miss there, Budgie. There's a little miss for the Budgie. Here, right here, see?
I can see.
Oh, he's cute.
He is nice. Should we go back with his brothers now?
Yeah. There we go.
There we go.
Oh, the blue Budgie. Blue Budgie. I did a hold the blue Budgie.
The blue one, the one that can fly.
Go heaven.
Alright, sit down properly. Hello, blue Budgie.
Budgie. Budgie.
Gentle noises as well.
Budgie.
Okay, do you think he wants to go back now?
Oh, he's gonna fly away.
That's right, we don't want that, do we?
No, hold the purple one. Yes.
Is that enough now?
No, I have to hold the purple one because the purple one doesn't fly, see?
Okay, this is the last holding, okay?
Oh yeah.
Gentle, gentle, gentle. No fast movements, remember? Gentle.
You can safe in there. Yeah.
Alright, I think he can go back now, please.
But I got to take a photo of him with me.
I'm taking video of you.
The baby and me.
Yeah, I have taken lots of video. We're going to see it on the computer in a minute. Okay, back he goes. Gentle as you can. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.